update now for this machine.
Oh yeah, let me do it that way.
Or you can do it here as a batch. You can select all the machines even. And update from there.
Updated.
That's it.
That's it?
And-
So quick.
Yeah, and you can update multiple clients.
Yes, exactly.
Obviously, the ones that are online, these two aren't.
Yep.
Yep. So to give you an idea, it was machine. That's somebody from the community. Basically provided us his hash. If you want to add a machine, he provided us hash and his password. You can always change the password if you feel like it's compromised, whatever. You can always change it, and then you can link it. And now I actually have access to
From your account.
from my account to his machine, and I can track it. I can see even start mining on it. So if I want to mine on his machine, I would go here, over here, set up my own thing. Mine Flux, for instance. Go. I'm gonna just do it on. You know what? I'm gonna make the second one this time. And then save it,
Add another one. Don't run it.
and then I'll add another one. What should I do? Lithium?
Yeah.
Pool. And then I don't have a wallet, so I would have to set one up. Add one. Go through the motion. I don't have an I don't have any.
So if you added another person's machine
Yep.
and they were mining on it already, but you would be able to track it through here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can set it up to mine whatever, but they also can, and then you could just track
And
it.
the beauty of it is, so I created this now, right? So if I go to my account now, and let's see, I should go on the machine. I'm on the right machine. So if I go here, I should be able to see in the logs
Logged in.
that I created a miner.
Nice.
So I can see what somebody else is doing. If I share my account with somebody or I share my machines, I
You
can
can see
actually
what-
track what they're doing, and starting, stopping, even SSH connections, all that fun stuff.
And that's also what we were talking about, Alex, is setting up the teams or organization so
Yeah.
you can,
That way you can
Yeah.
monitor, organize in segments.
right, especially like, say I got a large farm and I got 7 guys that are managing or whatever.
Yep.
I can set them up in my teams and under organizations. A4000. I saw something over at the A-Data booth that had, I think, 4 A6000s.
Yeah, those are pretty nice for
Yeah.
AI.
You can set that.
This one is now up to date, I think. So let me double check. Over here, I don't have a warning anymore that it's not up to date, so I can go there now and then go back to my mining and start my miner. Got it.
Did you put overclock settings?
I did. I switched it over to 130 watts maximum.
And with the OC profile, as soon as you start mining that particular token or coin or algorithm, it will apply that overclock that you had
Yep.
originally set up.
And you can see what you're currently mining, and you can even expand that to see like the actual fluctuations of the job.
This will create a graph with all the jobs. So if you have
After some
multiple,
time,
you see
yeah.
all the different coins.
So it will take some time to just populate the data, then
Yeah.
you see like graphs as you do with iOS.
I don't know if I
Takes
have-
time for it to show at the pool.
Let's see what kind of. Sorry, I was going to check. I got Neoxa, so let me set up mining for Neoxa. And
Here's
start.
some more secure.
No, I don't have overclocking set for this guy, so I'm going to be very careful.
Yeah.
And this one.
Prog Pow or Kapow variant tokens or algo coins will make your GPUs run really hot. Good for warming the house in the winter though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Check real quick.
Nice.
It's pretty cool. So.
So we can see under our currently mining.
Yeah, it's starting everything up. Give it a second.
There it is. Just popped up online. That was like only a few seconds, if that. You can see the load, GPU power, fan speed, core clocks, memory, power limited,
So we'll have some same view
and
on
data
this.
here in just a little bit once it gets a few shares at the pool too. So when utilizing Flux Core, if you need to really update or your GUI is telling you need to, it's very simple. Click the update, go through the features and hit update now, and the client will update in just a few seconds. This machine that we're utilizing right here.
What is that?
That it uploads.
So I really like this dashboard that Flux has created as they continue to push forward. I look forward to future updates, and we'll have links to them down in the description. Make sure to hit the like button on the way out, subscribe for more, and don't forget to hit the notification bell on the way out. I'll see you on the next one.